So we are here in the center of the historic city Bruges in Belgium, and of course we want to visit the nice interesting places here in Bruges. And no, we are not going to use a local city guide, we are going to use our TMS City Guide project, the project of which we make all the source code available, and that uses AI to generate a walking tour with the places of our interest. So let's fire up this application. Here it goes. And the first thing to do, of course, is tell the application where we want the walking tour based on our current location. That obviously is Bruges. Default selection is historic places. That's good, that's nice, let's take that. And let's also add architecture. Some entertainment is always welcome, and with this nice hot and warm weather, some food and drinks will be welcome as well. So with these selections, our walking tour should be fine. So let's generate now our walking tour. So the AI is finding the matching places here in Bruges and is generating them one by one. And then among these places we will generate a walking tour. And if we look at the list of places, here we see on the first position the Belfort of Bruges, and as it happens we have it here close by, the Belfort of Bruges here behind me. And if we want to learn more about what this Belfort is about, we click on the Belfort in the list and we click the speaker to have it explained by our application.
The medieval belfry on the Markt is one of Bruges' best-known
being
landmarks.
Explained.
Rising above the historic center, it reflects the city's commercial power in the Middle Ages and offers panoramic views after a climb of its tower. Its carillon and market square setting make it a natural centerpiece for a walking route.
Okay, so let's kick off and start our walking tour. So here we are in the first place after the Belfort, the Chapel of the Holy Blood. And let's listen what our AI has to tell about this monument.
This striking basilica on de Burg is famous for housing a revered relic of the Holy Blood. Its Romanesque lower chapel and richly decorated Gothic upper chapel show two distinct layers of Bruges' religious and architectural history. The compact setting makes it an easy next stop from the Markt.
And let's stand in the line waiting for entering the Chapel of the Holy Blood.
A few moments later.
And this time the AI selected for us a place where we can learn something in a museum, the Groningen Museum. And let's listen what our AI has to tell about this museum.
The Groningen Museum is one of Bruges' key cultural stops, known for its collection of Flemish and Belgian art. It offers an entertaining and rewarding museum visit, with works spanning from the early Netherlandish period to modern art. Located near the canals.
So another location selected by our AI. We selected food and drinks, so it brought us to Brewery Halve Maan, where we can drink a refreshing beer in this really special place and brewery in Bruges. And what's better than selecting for literally translated Bruges Fool, a Brugse Zot, the local drink here in Bruges. So here we are back at the starting point of our walking tour here in the city of Bruges. Starting point where we had the Belfort of Bruges on this central marketplace. A city tour that was generated by our summer project, a Delphi FireMonkey application. You can also download it, compile it, install it on your smartphone, and during this holiday period use it as an assistant to create the walking tours in your holiday. And that project uses the TMS AI Studio, the interface to, in this case, OpenAI, that collects the interesting places matching your criteria for the walking tour. Also TMS FNC maps for the visualization of your tour on a map in the application, and also FNC UI pack to create a polished, nice and good looking user interface in your Delphi application. Have a lot of fun with this summer project this year. We look forward to receiving the interesting city walking tours that you made with the app, and who knows, you have some further ideas to extend and add functionality to our TMS City guide. Enjoy!